Hello and welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Monday the 26th of Jan with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Let's move on to cable. Interesting, this is the big downtrend on cable, and we had that breakdown, and I still believe that breakdown below 50.30 is the move that would suggest that we're going to come back and test very quickly, testing this key July 2013 low 48.10. So intraday, what are we seeing? Well, this is that range on the hourly chart. This is that range that we had been in above that 50.30 level, and we've basically just spent the last couple of days using that 50.30 level as the basis of resistance. A couple of times on Friday, and again you'd probably broadly say that 50.30 level is still intact, so as a resistance area. So you've got a couple of resistances also. 50.55 is the low from 20th, and around these levels, around 50.80, you'd say that from the 21st of Jan. So a couple of levels there as for resistance, but it'll be interesting to see, because this has the potential, if it does sustain a move above 50.30, I would say that could well become arguably a little reversal pattern. But the other fact is, you don't want to get too worked up about that quite yet, because in terms of the momentum indicators, you're not really seeing anything more than just an unwinding back towards to the neutral area. I mean, if you look at the RSI, for example, it tends to sort of get towards the 60s area and then fall away again, back towards oversold. So MACD lines also bearish configuration, because they're just unwinding back from this overstretched area, but back to neutral. And it looks like at the moment this 50.30 level could be a bit of a line in the sand, I think, for cable, and we need to watch out for it, because if you do have a move above it, you could see continued gains towards, as I said, a test of these two resistance here, and maybe even a little bit further towards the next one above, that 51.20. But at the moment, as I said, it's just sort of using the recent the recent rebound as a chance to unwind this oversold momentum. So that's how I'm looking at the moment, and we'll see how it goes. But certainly, there's no real drive to push this cable chart higher. It is 25 pips up on the day, yes, but still, I don't think there's any major buying pressure that's coming through as of yet. So I'm still sort of expecting a retest of these levels. 49.73 is the low, a reaction low overnight, and below that 49.48. But as I said, I think on the daily chart, this big breakdown again just, I think, highlights the fact that we're coming back towards this 48.10 ultimately in due course, and sort of rallies are a chance to sell still as a medium-term play. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.